You can use your Visa or MasterCard for online purchases on the Afrox shop. How to pay an existing invoice. Once signed in, click on Invoices under Open Services for My Account. Specify the date range to filter the invoices to find the invoice you'd like to pay. Tick the specific invoice you'd like to pay and click on Pay Selected Invoices. The details of the specified invoice will be displayed. Once you're happy that this is the correct invoice, proceed by clicking on Pay Now. On the new page, select whether your card is Visa or MasterCard. Enter the card number, expiry date, the cardholder's name, as well as the CVV security code on the back of your card. You can choose to save the card details you entered on your profile or not, and proceed by clicking Authorize Payment. A one-time password will be received in the payment process to confirm a secure payment. You'll be presented with a page thanking you for your payment as well as your payment receipt number. The system will also send you an email confirming payment made. How to pay with a credit card while shopping online. Select the products or items you'd like to purchase and add it to your shopping cart. Alternatively, you can go to your shopping cart and add a product by searching for it. Once done, and you're happy with the selected items, click on Check Out. Select whether your order should be delivered or will be collected and enter your purchase order number or reference number. Remember to tick the box that confirms that you have a suitable vehicle to transport gas in the case of gas purchases, and click on Continue to Delivery and Payment. On the following page, you can select the card option. Review your order and remember to agree to the terms and conditions before clicking on Execute Order. Enter your relevant card details. Click on Authorize Payment to proceed with the transaction. You will be presented with a confirmation screen regarding your payment, as well as the estimated delivery date. You will also receive an email confirming your order and payment. Balance payment with a credit card. Once logged in, select Account Balance and Statements. Click on Pay Outstanding Balance. You now have the option to either pay the full outstanding amount or change the amount to whichever value you desire. Click on Update to confirm the amount you'd like to pay. Once you're satisfied with the amount reflecting that will be paid, click on Pay Now. Complete your card details accordingly and click on Authorize Payment. You'll be presented with a page thanking you for your payment as well as your payment receipt number. The system will also send you an email confirming payment made. Please note that it can take up to 24 hours to update your account after payment is made. Get the convenience of paying with your Visa or MasterCard today by visiting afroxshop.co.za.